Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Xbox app slow download speeds on Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta check your date and time right here at the bottom right. Just right click on it and click on adjust date and time. Okay, gotta click on region, and then you're gonna want to make sure that you are inside the correct region. Okay, and then once that's done, gotta go back to time and language, date and time. And then both set time zone automatically and set time automatically should be enabled. Once these two are enabled, just basically click on sync now. And then after that, go ahead and check your Xbox app and see if the download speeds are better. Now, if that still will work, don't worry, we still have a ton of options. In your search bar, just type down a delivery optimization settings right here. So just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that allow downloads from other device is disabled. All right, and then once that's done, close this one. Gotta find the Xbox app right here. You're gonna want to go to the right panel and click on app settings. There you go. Wait a bit, scroll down a bit, and here click on terminate first, and then repair. Wait a bit, and then once that's done, reopen it and check if it helps. If that still won't work, click on terminate and reset. Okay, click on reset, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, this time find the Xbox app, but go ahead and run it as an administrator. All right, now if that still won't work, again, close the Xbox app, click on terminate and uninstall. All right, you're going to want to reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. You got to find it right here. Just type down Xbox and hit on enter. And then just click on Xbox right here and install it. Now, if your Microsoft Store installs faster than your Xbox app, well, you might want to just go ahead and use the Microsoft Store to install the same exact game. Let's say you wanted to download Forza. Okay, so you got to type it down right here. Type down Forza, and here we have it. You can just go ahead and click on it and install it. Okay? Both Xbox app and the Microsoft Store require you to log in with your Microsoft account. So it's just basically the same. Now, if that still won't work, you wanted to use the Xbox app for downloading, well, just make sure that you're using an Ethernet cable, not Wi-Fi. Okay? For more stability or even faster speeds. Okay? Now, other thing that you can try in here is just go and find in your search bar, type down CMD or command prompt. So you got to click on run as administrator. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Okay, hit on enter. Now type down net sh space winsock space reset. Hit on enter. Net sh space int space ip space reset. Hit on enter, close this one. Now go ahead and restart your computer, and after that you should be good to go. And lastly here, as a bonus, since you have stayed here longer, well, go ahead and go to your search box and type down control panel. Click on it. Now go ahead and go to the top right, make sure that you're under large icons. Okay, now go ahead and find network and sharing center. Click on it. Now at the top left, we have here change adapter settings. Click on it and double click on the network that you're currently using. If you're using Wi-Fi, go ahead and double click on it. If you're using Ethernet, go ahead and double click on it. Now click on properties right here. Go ahead and find TCP IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that it is highlighted and click on properties. Now just go ahead and copy my settings, obtain an IP address automatically, and use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. And once that's done, just click on OK, close, and finally a final restart here should help fix the issue. And that is how you fix the Xbox apps slow download speeds on both Windows 10 and 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.